Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Tech Edition specification. So this car has some great features including park assist, 3D navigation, there's front mirror parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. You also get 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's done under 12,000 miles, got a 6-speed manual gearbox. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.